This beggar showed up at our house last night right after dark. He comes by occasionally for something to eat. But he showed up here after dark and brought a friend with him. Told him, I know where you can get something to eat. They feed me all the time. Doberman Pinscher looking dog, small one, came here. And with him, I guess we got to start feeding half of the stray dogs in town. It is nice out here today. Oh wait, it must be getting around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I didn't look at the clock. 66 degrees. I'm in a t-shirt. I think I'll take advantage of this time to put a new battery in my lawnmower. It was dead last time I parked it, so I'm going to have to do it in the dark of the garage. Too heavy for me to push outside. Anyway, we're going to change the battery. Maybe I'll be lucky enough to get it started, but it needs that new battery. I bought one yesterday at Walmart. I have not forgot that I need to get that thing put back on, but I really ain't through straightening it yet. It'll probably have to make do the best it is, though it'll never be as straight as it was new. I gotta remember to buy some bolts like this. In fact, I'll put that one in my pocket and go to the hardware store soon. I tried to start it and dead as a duck. Unfortunate the bolts aren't really corroded. This battery's been on here, oh Lord, I know, 5 years. I guess I would do one. Okay, I got a battery with a positive on the wrong side, but I think it's going to hook up anyway. The wires are extra long. Let's see. Positive is on the left side there. It's been in there since April of 16. Well, let's just turn it around. Now we're right. No, by George, I can't turn the battery around. By George, we're going to have to put it back that way. Well, it looks like I bought a battery with a positive terminal on the wrong side, but it looks like the wires are long enough just to cross the wires. I don't think you can bring a battery back. They'd be thinking you're bringing the old one back. I don't know, it's got a date on it. We're gonna make do with this. We're gonna try anyway. I got it in there, my friends. The battery posts were on the wrong side, but I was lucky the wire was long enough. This one was zip tied over there, and I don't have any more zip ties to put it back somewhere. I need to get some zip ties. I thought I had some here hanging on a nail, but they're gone. Probably used them all. All right. Don't look like the greatest repair job in the world, but it's done. I've got my back sore leaning over here. That's what you get for getting out of shape. Hurry up, sit down and rest my back a minute. Well, all I need is a few more lightning strikes and I won't never have to cut that tree. And it can busted my elbow open a while ago. I'm reaching under there fixing that battery. I heard the lightning hit the last storm we had. I knew it hit around here somewhere, but I didn't know it hit that close.